What's up, fellow humans? This morning I'm at Hive Backpackers and I'm gonna go head out and check out some of the waterfalls just 15 minutes from Hualien. So let's do some time travel. So I have just teleported to Saguer Trail, which is a 20-minute round trip to a small little waterfall. Let's check it out together. Section B is 40 minutes one way and is a fair bit more steep. So away we go, 780 meters to the falls. Let's do this. So I'm here at the first main viewpoint, and it's actually got some pretty lovely views over Hualien. But let's go up a bit higher. Just eating a bit of nature on the way up. Oh, that's good seaweed. Now I find these to be really good hiking meals in Taiwan. You can get them from 7-Eleven and it's just rice with tuna in the middle. And it provides a lot of energy when you're out on the trails. Lots of good carbohydrates and proteins. Now after going up quite rapidly in the beginning, the path then levels out and you wind your way through this forested area. The sound of crashing water. We're close, peeps. This couple is actually enjoying the waterfall with their dog. Here, let me show you. So now I actually haven't bought a towel or any sort of swimwear with me, so I'm just gonna get down to my rods and get into this bad boy. It's gonna be cold. I'm not really gonna dry off very well afterwards, but I have to sample this waterfall and feel the exhilaration of that cold water. Warm shower can happen later, but right now we're sending it. Amazing! We're swimming in the waterfall! It's so cold! But so invigorating! Alright peeps, it is time to say goodbye to this beautiful waterfall. Such an invigorating waterfall, that one. Ooh, the water here is so cold. I wear this jumper on the way back. Whew. But yeah, because I'm doing a lot of filming and photographing at the moment, it's when I'm at waterfalls, it's often a lot of photo taking and making videos and getting angles and thinking of all those different things. So during, before or after, or all of the above, I like to just take a minute to put all that stuff away in my bag and enjoy the swim, enjoy the sounds, enjoy the nature, and just kind of look at the waterfall, sort of meditate and just take in my surroundings, be present is what I'm trying to say. I think that's really important to do, especially these days with everyone wanting to document and capture things. I think it's so important that we don't forget to actually be and enjoy the places that we're in. If you get a chance and you're in Hualien, I highly recommend you do the Saguer trail. It's only 15 minutes from Hualien and the hike itself is only 25 minutes, and you have this beautiful waterfall and it's a really nice trail, not too challenging, so check it out guys. Getting to the top of the hill was such a relief. Relief. You know, leaves. You really thought I'd do this whole video without putting a few puns in? Come on. But on a more serious note, I'll definitely be sticking to the backcountry rivers because they're less mainstream. He strikes again! So I'm heading back to base now guys. That was a hell of a lot of fun recording that video. I really enjoyed it, and I hope you did too. So until the next one, peace out.